Good afternoon. We're taking a look out of our Dakota Magic weather cam on our Storm Team Skycam network and near the Hankinson area, right at that North Dakota, South Dakota border along I-29. And the snow's really whipping around there. We've got the wind and the snow coming down in that area. Not good travel conditions along I-29 with that snow. So take it easy if you must travel today. The snow is going to continue to bring down visibility in some areas in the Southern Valley. So here's a look at what's happening. Northern Valley, nice and quiet. You're looking at some sunshine along the Canadian border. Grand Forks kind of on the edge of the clouds. Fargo, we're seeing some snow moving through. Basically, two bands have formed here. One separated to the north over Fargo, stretching back over toward Detroit Lakes, and then back over toward Valley City and the James River Valley south of Jamestown. And then that second band that's been a little bit heavier right along the border there, and that just continues to work its way eastward through the afternoon hours now. As it moves eastward, we'll see more of this around Wheaton and Elbow Lake and back over toward Alexandria. And in between, there's still some snow. It's just not as steady, not as heavy at the moment. It could fill right back in again as we get into the afternoon hours today. So this round of wintry weather affecting us here now into the afternoon, and we're looking at the potential for snow hanging around here for a while. We have the winter weather advisory in effect in the Southern Valley, very far Southern Valley, through tomorrow morning. Fargo excluded from that, even though we're getting some snow. We're just not seeing as much, and our temperatures are a lot milder in the advised area. We're into the mid to upper 20s there. Up north, though we're getting some sun, it's a lot colder with that drier air. We're looking at 16 degrees in Hallock and 14 in Roseau right now. Wind speeds are light to the east. We're seeing wind out of the northeast and stronger out west. Some steady speeds in the 20s, gusts to near 30 already down by Oaks. So it's already starting to get brisk. Visibility starting to come down in some of these spots where the snow is falling. So through the rest of the afternoon, we're looking at that snow just kind of falling over some of the same areas. There might be a little bit of a northward lift to it where we kind of get into that Highway 200 corridor and maybe over to Highway 2 around Bemidji. But generally speaking, that northern third of the valley looking pretty quiet. As we get into the evening hours tonight, some more scattered snow and wind, of course, hanging around, and it diminishes a little bit into the late night hours here. But as we head into tomorrow, we're not quite done with the snow just yet. We're looking at that potential, especially in the far south, some of those same places that have been getting hit. Tomorrow morning, Fargo, it looks like we're quieting down a little in the Fargo area, and our next round of this kind of stays to the south. Can't rule out the possibility for early morning snow in Fargo, but the better bet, again, farther down toward Sisseton and Wheaton and back into places like Wadena. So this is 9 a.m. Check out these temperatures. Single digits for a good portion of the valley at 9 a.m. It's going to be a cold morning. Factor in that strong wind still whipping that snow around and just very raw, feeling like we're definitely still in the heart of winter rather than the first couple of days of April. And getting into the afternoon, that snow moves away. We're just looking at a cold, unpleasant day. Sunshine, though, will help things out. That early April sun really does feel pretty good this time of year. And it will help to melt some of the snow on the roads and sidewalks. Here's a look at your totals. About 3 to 6 inches in the advisory area. Fargo-Moorhead in that 1 to 3 inch range and dropping off from there. And your 7-day planner, things quiet down tomorrow as far as snow is concerned, but still breezy. But all week we're looking at some cold temperatures to start and staying below freezing. This weekend we do warm up. That's also when we have our next chance for a storm to swing through on Sunday. So still looking colder than average and active here as we get into April.
It seems like the temps just keep going the wrong direction.
I know.
Instead of going up.
Everybody's ready for spring that I've talked to at least, and we just can't seem to get it going.
Yes, it'll be here though.
It will.
Someday. Thank you, Lisa.